Good dog. Good girl. Whoops. Good dog. You want to go to work? You want to go to work? Good girl, nice dog. That's a good girl, nice fellow. Back to work. Heel, good girl, nice dog. Don't look at her. My face is looking forward. Good girl, nice dog. That's a good girl. Now, we want to scooch around here. See if we can do this scooching around. But I gave too many words there, evidently. Good dog, good girl. That's a good girl. Good dog, good girl. Good dog, good girl. This is the ideal place. See? Good dog, good girl. Nice girl. Good dog, good girl. Nice girl. See, my direction, it's okay. Damn, shouldn't keep the, don't move the leash. So, we're this way. Good dog, good girl. That's a good girl. See, if she's not going to come with me, I can resort to this. Oh, good girl. That's a good, so, sit in front. If I were going to have her sit from the front, it would be, oh, good dog, good girl, good dog. Good dog, good girl. That's a good girl. Good dog, good girl. Good dog, good girl. Do you want to go to work? Good girl, nice dog. That's a good girl, nice fellow. Back to work. Heel, good girl. Nice dog, sit, stay. Good follow, sit, stay. Looking forward. Good dog, good girl. Good dog, good girl. That's a good girl. We want to scooch around. We want to make her move. Good dog, that's a good girl. Good girl, nice dog. I want her to go around. Keep this up like that. Keep that leash like that. It's between the first finger and the thumb. Leash like, my face should be looking either forward or back at the heel, not at the dog. Left hand like that. Every time I look at the dog, it gives the wrong signal. She looks at me and her tail wags. Yes, Mom is a good distraction.
I'm sorry, I shouldn't have come around it.
No, that's no problem. Good dog, good girl. See, every time I look at the dog, I break the spell.
It was kind of sweet, though, that she wagged her tail when she saw me. Kind of like that.
So, good dog, good girl. See, we're doing a little bit of, keep the right foot where it is. Good dog, good girl. Give a little bit of, have the right foot, right hand hanging down at the side. Want to go to work? Back to work. Want to go to work? Good girl. Good dog. Good girl. Good dog. Good. Back to work. It's 4 times. Back to work. Heel. Good girl. Nice dog. Sit, stay. Good follow. Sit, stay. Looking forward. Back to work. Heel. Good girl. Nice dog. Sit, stay. Good follow. Sit, stay. So, if she's not going to, 4 times, heel. If I'm resorting to the come command, I would let the, Penny, come good girl, good dog, good girl, nice dog. Penny, come, good girl. Good dog, good girl. Nice dog, nice girl.